Hello friends, Akshay ka pyar namaskar. Akshay Sarudev. I am a founder president of Entrepreneurs Parliament. So today evening I attended a beautiful workshop called Medium to pilot our entire marketing and business development. And my friend Parag has shared very wonderful insights and gave us lots of wisdom how we can truly atomize the entire marketing and sales process. And what I discovered is that right now there are lots of online or internet jargon is there, and we are confused with lots of various informations. But what Parag has helped us or simplified that. So how we can be away from that jargon and what is the most specific for you? If you are running a small scale business or conventional business, or if you are a SME business owner, I strongly recommend you that to be a part of these workshops. What I like a lot about this workshop is that he's having a huge insights, and what I call that is like what we call as a research approach. What is important right now in a tech space when you want to build an enterprise? Parag is a very what I call as simplistic author you can call or expert into the marketing. I know him from the tech side, but today I understand that he is a great marketer who can help us to atomize the entire business. So he understands that how in most simplistic manner, most cost effective manner, you can atomize your entire sales and marketing and increase your ROI. So I am thankful to the team and Parag to be given this opportunity to be a part of these workshops. And definitely in my community also I am going to recommend these workshops very strongly. Thank you, Parag.
Hello, my name is Ravindra Desh. A couple of things I would like to say. One is the contents of the seminar or the session was really, one, it was interactive, and two, it was very knowledgeable for us, which surely will help us to grow the business and expand our footprints in the market, and probably help us to identify the right customers and the right clients to move forward in the business. That's number one. And just one point from my side, what I saw, because seminars, whatever seminars we give, the flow could have been a little fast. That was the only feedback, but the rest, fantastic.
Hi, I am Sundar Vimanan from MG Enterprises. First of all, I would like to thank Paragji for this wonderful session. In fact, because of various reasons, I was planning or almost planned or almost dropped from the session. But now I feel that that time was well utilized and it was very much informative. Especially the second part of the session was very much informative, very much relevant also. Definitely I say that I can implement the things which I have learned today from here in my business. So it was a wonderful session.
Hi, I am Malikan Shinde. The today's session is very clear, simple and up to the point. Thanks.